Hey, welcome to Road to Forever. I'm Terry, and today I'll be talking about the Daniel fast and how to do the Daniel fast for 2021. And after the year we've had, I cannot think of a better way to get our hearts and mind prepared for 2021 than by starting off the year with 21 days of prayer and fasting. And contrary to popular belief, the Daniel fast is not about the foods you're going to give up, but instead it's about making room for God to come in and to dwell within your heart. The Daniel fast is truly about developing a deeper, more intimate relationship with God. So if you're hungering and thirsting after God, then the Daniel fast is exactly what you need. In John 6:35, it tells us that Jesus declared, "I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry, and whoever believes in me will never be thirsty." When the prophet Daniel fasted, it was evident that he had a stronger, more intimate connection with God. And for you, that might be something that you're also desiring. When we read in Luke 4:14 about what happened after Jesus fasted, it said that he returned to Galilee and he was in the power of the Spirit, and news about him spread throughout the entire countryside. So you can see that even when Jesus fasted, there was something that came from this. So as you get ready to prepare to start a new year, the Daniel fast is what you're going to need so that you can know and understand God's will and direction for your life. And one of the things that I know from several years of doing the Daniel fast is that if you are not adequately prepared for the Daniel fast, it can go south pretty quickly. Funny thing, on a side note, I actually met my now husband Kyle while I was doing a presentation at church explaining to everyone how to do the Daniel fast correctly so that they could be successful. Because I know that if you're not prepared for the Daniel fast, it's easy to quit right in the beginning. But trust me, this relationship that you'll develop with God and what you'll get from fasting will be so worth it. And I want you to be able to make it through these 21 days of prayer and fasting. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I have several resources on this channel. I have a free Daniel Fast PDF and over 29 videos with recipes and tips about how to do the Daniel Fast. But I also have 2 ebooks which will help you be successful on your Daniel Fast. The first is a 21-day devotional, which will help you, as we talk about intimacy, purpose, and breakthrough. So that is the theme for that devotional. And then I have a more comprehensive guide, which I believe is the ultimate Daniel fast guide. It has 21-day devotionals as well, but instead of intimacy, prayer, and breakthrough, it will be talking about a journey through the book of Daniel. It will have reflection questions. It also has a sample meal plan, meal planning list. It has recipes, tips, everything that you need to be successful on the Daniel fast. So let's check out both of these ebooks, and they'll be available in the description box down below if you want to check them out as well. As I said, the first ebook is a 21-day devotional about intimacy, purpose, and breakthrough. And as you go through this devotional, one of the things you'll notice, it will talk to you specifically and share Bible verses about intimacy, purpose, and of course, breakthrough. Each day, there is a specific verse for you. There is a moment for you to reflect, and there's also a song of meditation that coincides with the verse of the day. There's also a private Facebook group that comes with this devotional where you can log on and you can find other believers who are also going through the Daniel fast. And so it will be a nice way to support, encourage, and motivate one another as you go through 21 days of fasting. There's also a section with encouraging Bible verses, as well as another huge list with worship songs. And there's also a special worship playlist that is set aside if you have this devotional or the other more comprehensive ebook. Now, the second ebook is what I believe is the ultimate Daniel fast guide. It has the recipes, tips, a 21-day devotional journey through the book of Daniel, as well as access to a private Facebook group. There'll be a weekly meal planner from Monday through Saturdays, because Sundays are supposed to be your prep days. So it will be your time for you to grocery shop and to finish any leftovers to avoid food waste. And so this devotional also has encouraging verses. There's access to a playlist, and there is so much more available for you in this particular ebook. So if you're excited to see God do a new thing, hit that thumbs up button, share this video, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. But before you leave, I want to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.